Hello, how to analyze stocks for swing trading using uptrend line or long uptrend line swing trading strategy. We have our stock watch list of 79 stocks that we are going to analyze, and they are large cap upward large cap stocks. We have think of swim platform open that we use to analyze chart, and as a swing trader we are going to use daily chart, either 1 year daily chart or maximum daily chart, but I would prefer to use maximum daily chart to analyze the chart because of the long uptrend line swing trading strategy that we are using. And the maximum daily chart will allow us to have multiple years on the screen to be able to see our trend line well, because some of the trend lines, they are low. The long trend line, some of them are low and may not be seen on the 1 year daily chart. So the first one we are going to analyze is ADI. So ADI, it is the last price bar is still far from our trend line. The purple trend line is the trend line we will like to buy the stock at. Therefore, we are going to, in our analysis, we are going to compare where the last price bar is in relation to the trend line that is our entry point, and we want our long trend line to be more than 1 year to cross to be, I like to say, more than 1 year old. Pretty much we are in 2025, therefore a 2024 line is here. It needs to be at least from the beginning of 2024 or so, or close to it, or longer than that. So my terminology may not be what everybody is using, but that's what I'm using. So that will be our long trend line that we'll be using at the beginning of this year, and we are just going to wait for the chart to do its swings. And when it comes down to the trend line that we coded in purple, we are going to pay close attention to what is going on around that trend line. And when we start seeing higher lows around that trend line, we will buy at the first green bar after a pullback. And when I say higher lows, that means this low, for instance, is higher than this one. That is what is making the trend line to be upward, to be uptrend line, to be diagonal, going toward the top, with the beginning be lower and the end to be higher, tilting the line. And with my terminology, I might be calling the trend line area the valley of the mountain, and the resistance area, I might be calling it the peak of the mountain. Because we have 79 stocks to analyze, I'm just going to be comparing where the price is in relation to the line we like to enter our entry point. If it's far from it, we'll just move to the next one. So the next one we are going to analyze is going to be ADP. Excuse me. So ADP, this trend line ended and it seems to be going lower, but it's still far from our trend line. And this one originally from before 2021 is more than 1 year old. The next one is AFL. So AFL, this trend line ended. It seems to be going to this trend line, but the purple one is where we like to wait. Those three, we have them in our portfolio. We purchase them, and then the trend line, we purchase them on ended, and the price went down from there. So we have them in our portfolio because we do not like to sell stocks at a loss. We sold some at a loss in 2024, but it's just not unusual. It is unusual for us. We just like to just keep the stocks in our portfolio, and the arrow pointing up just pointing where we purchase stocks during the year, and the arrow facing down just show where we sold the stocks. For instance, we purchased it here, we sold it here. So we purchased it here, and that trend line ended, and now it seems to be around this trend line. But again, we are not going to buy more. We'll just wait to sell the one we have, I will think. The next one is AME. So AME is going down. This trend line ended, we bought it there, and right now it seems to be going down. The next one is AMP. One is highlighted in our yellow or orange color in our spreadsheet. That means we already purchased it, we have it in our portfolio. So AMP, we purchased it on this trend line, which is August trend line, but that trend line ended and it's going down. And if you are asking me how I know that a trend line ended, we are having lower lows, and this low, I will this pullback ended when I have a green bar. So the red bar, that there is a small red bar there, is lower than this one. When I put my line here, the x-axis is lower than this one. The price is corresponding to is on the y-axis. That price 520 is less than 545. So when you are having those pullbacks and their bottom, the bottom is lower than the previous low, you are having a lower lows. And when those lows are below the trend line you are tracing, that trend line ended, because that trend line are tracing connecting 2 points. You trace a straight line when you connect 2 points. So connecting those 2 points, and I just continue tracing it, and when the price bar is going below it, that trend line ended. And because we are trading, we are analyzing the chart on daily chart, on daily chart, and we swing trade on daily chart. Every single bar is a daily price bar. Every single rectangle is a daily fluctuation of the price. The green bar just means the price is going up. The red bar means the price is going down. The red bar, the bottom of the bar, is the price correspond to the price. The bottom width of the bar correspond to the price when the market close, and the top width of the rectangle for the red bar correspond to when the market open in the morning. So the price in the morning was higher than the price when the market closed in the evening. The price drop. The opposite is the green bar. The price at the bottom is the bottom width of the rectangle is when the market open in the morning price, and the top width of the rectangle is when the market close, the price at which the market close in the evening. The tip, the wick or the stick at the top of the rectangle just shows you how far the price went up that day, and the stick at the bottom of the rectangle just shows you how low the price went that day. So we bought it there, and then the price went down. APH, but I had to say that it's not too low compared to where we bought it though, but we'll just keep watching it. APH. So APH, this trend line ended and it seems to be going down, but it's still far from the trend line we like to enter. The next one is ATO. I will make sure videos so that and then I'll try to post them all because I'm having lagging issue with the software because of my computer having low memory on it. So until that is resolved, at least today, I'll make sure videos. I'll try to make it within 10 to 15 minutes or so. I'll end and then I'll continue the next one. So this one, ATO is far from the trend line. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.